My name is Kristine Gjessing. I'm the commercial manager for Northern Xplorer, which we believe to be the world's first zero-emission cruise company.
And where are you in that project?
We are at the moment. We've designed the ships. We have technology more or less landed on the technology, and we have a letter of intent with the shipyard for 4 ships, firm ships, and then 10 optional. And we are currently talking to founders and raising money.
So you mentioned 4 ships and 10 on option.
Yes.
Okay. Can you give us a little more detail of what these vessels will be doing, the passenger capacity, and where you think they will be sailing from and to?
Yes. The ships are designed by Maritime, a Norwegian company, and they are 140 meters long, 22 meters wide. They carry up to 250 guests with a crew of 90 to 100. We will start operating in Norway, and we've picked 3 ports, Narvik up in the north, Alesund and Bergen. And the reason for picking these 3 ports is that they are close by the World Heritage fjords, Alesund and Bergen, and Narvik is close to Loften and North Cape and the Arctic Light. And also all 3 ports have railway close by. Alesund, not in Alesund, but in Åndalsnes, which is not so far away. So our guests can fly into Oslo, because we do know that they come from all over the world, and they can fly into Oslo and then go by train to the location where for our cruises. And the cruises will not go up along the coast, but rather go in a route of 4 to 7 days from Bergen, returning to Bergen, and the same with Ålesund and Narvik.
Okay. And you explained a little bit about the power systems.
Yes.
Can you find a few details for us on how they'll be powered?
The boats will be zero emission, running on mega batteries and hydrogen and the fuel cells. Approximately 2/3 battery power and 1/3 hydrogen or fuel cells. And the good thing about this is that it gives us a better flexibility than just running on one fuel.
And when do you anticipate the first vessels sort of hitting the water?
We are hoping to have the first vessel in operation in 2026, when the Norwegian authorities have proposed that the World Heritage fjords will be zero-emission zones.
You've been here at the Maritime Hybrid Electric and Hydrogen Fuel Cell Conference in Bergen.
Yes.
What has been your takeaways? And
I think just listening to the different actors of the industry and seeing the changes coming along, I think we are very optimistic for the future. There are a lot of good forces going in the right direction.